Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. We're going to keep track of a man that did the ultimate. He took his entire retirement accounts, all of his savings, everything that he's ever earned, and he put it all into Bitcoin for his retirement. We're going to keep track of this man. And if you want to keep track with me, you'll like this video, subscribe, and remind me to keep doing updates on this man. He took every penny that he has saved anywhere in any account, and he bought nothing but Bitcoins. So let's keep track of this. I think it's a very interesting story. Every economist, every investor all says, make sure you do not put all of your eggs in one basket. Now, it has been the case that with Bitcoin, it goes up, it comes a little bit down, it goes up, it comes a little bit down, so that it is like a ladder going up. For all intents and purposes, the stock market does the same exact thing. It hits new highs all the time. That means over the course of time, the stock market is the safest investment because it has a average of a 7% increase over the course of year after year, year after year. Now, if you want me to tell you about a really fantastic investment that does better than 7% per year, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up the video and tell me that you want to keep track of this man who has invested everything into Bitcoin. Thank you.